What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing Lorenzo's razz for the emblems of endorsement lung fist. Beautiful card. So, I'll get our first timestamp when we go live. We are live at 11:39. It's 11:39 here in Denver. We'll go grab our list. We got Ryan on top and also Ryan on the bottom. 40 names. And guys, if I'm not mistaken, we're going 3 times. There you are. 3 times. So we'll get a fresh list. Ryan on the bottom, Ryan on top, no spaces in between. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2. Gaston on top after 2. That timestamp is in at 11:40. It is 11:40. Third and final time. Good luck, everybody. Alexander, spot 2. Congratulations. And for our final timestamp, it was in at 11:40. It is 11:40. Again, 3 times. Alexander spot 2. Thanks all.